Introducing our new main feature in Composer 10.22, a customizable HUD, adjacent objects to the player and customizable VR hands. Let's begin with adding a HUD. Here we have a plane with a text image as a texture. Likewise, any 3D object can be added as a HUD. Most of the time the HUDs are used for adding helping text and guidance attached to the screen, enabling the client to see it at all times. To add any object as a HUD, press on the Interactions menu, then click on Add User Gadgets. From the appearing window, click on the HUD tab. Make sure that you have already added the start position. Adding the user gadgets depend on the start model and its position. When you click on the HUD tab, the start position model disappears, only to reveal a plane mimicking the AR view inside the VR viewer. Let's now reposition the plane on the HUD screen. The left upper corner would be suitable. You might need to test the position a couple of times in the viewer before deciding. Now, while selecting the object, you need to add it as a HUD by pressing on the plus button from the Gadgets window. The object is added to the HUD list with a star icon on its right. You can turn it off if you don't want to start your scene with this HUD item equipped. You can use the new Training Builder response node to set equipping user gadgets based on certain events. Let's see how it works in the VR viewer. Adjacent objects are objects that stick to the player in order to use them at certain tasks without having to move around. Let's add this hammer and pin to our adjacent objects list. First, let's reposition them relatively to our screen. Then add them using the Adjacent Objects tab. The star icon also determines equipping state at the start of the scene. Let's see how it works in the VR viewer. Whenever you press H to enable grabbing, adjacent objects unequip. However, when you press H again, they re-equip. You can of course enable their grabbing and grab them.